In this video, I'll show you how to make Windows 11 faster and more responsive if your PC feels slow, laggy, freezes sometimes, or just takes forever to boot. The good thing is you don't need to upgrade your hardware or install random third-party optimization software because Windows already has a bunch of built-in settings that can seriously improve performance if you tweak them properly. The first thing you should change is the power mode. Open the Start menu and search for Power, Sleep, and Battery settings. Once you open it, change the power mode to Best Performance. This tells Windows to prioritize speed and responsiveness instead of trying to save energy in the background. After that, disable unnecessary startup programs. Right-click your taskbar, open Task Manager, and go into the Startup Apps section. Here you'll see programs that launch automatically every single time Windows starts. A lot of these apps run in the background for no reason and slow down boot times, so disable anything you don't actually use daily. This alone can make startup feel way faster. The next step is optimizing your drives. Open the Start menu again and search for Defragment and Optimize drives. Open the tool, select your main system drive, which is usually the C drive, then first click Analyze and after that click Optimize. This helps Windows organize drive data more efficiently and can improve loading speed and overall responsiveness. Next, run Disk Cleanup. Search for Disk Cleanup in the Start menu, select your C drive, and after the scan finishes, click Clean Up System Files. Wait for the second scan, then select unnecessary categories like temporary files and junk system data that you don't need anymore. This can free up a decent amount of space and help Windows run smoother. Another useful tweak is reducing unnecessary background services. Open Run again, type misconfig, and go to the Services tab. Before changing anything, make sure you enable Hide all Microsoft services so you don't accidentally disable important Windows processes. After that, you can disable services from programs you barely use or don't even recognize. The guide also changes a couple of registry settings to improve responsiveness. Open Registry Editor and lower the mouse hover time value from 400 to 10 milliseconds. The final step is disabling heavy visual effects and animations. Open Advanced System Settings, go into Performance Settings, and choose Adjust for Best Performance. This removes unnecessary animations, transparency effects, and visual extras that use system resources in the background. Once you finish all these changes, restart your computer so everything fully applies correctly. Combined together, these tweaks can make Windows 11 feel noticeably faster, smoother, and way more responsive overall without needing new hardware. Thanks for watching. I would be very happy if you would become one of the subscribers of this channel. Check out the suggested videos and also leave a like under this video. See you soon.